In previous video, I have promised you that I would talk about, well, this text editor here. In description, we should have some kind of text editor. So I have found something very useful, like SummerNote. Well, this is a great text editor. We can have here like bold, we have here italic, like underline. So we have something like ordered list, unordered list, and well, this picture, every kind of things we can have here. So the text editor will be like this. And how we can use that, how we can, well, install and doing all that in Django. Well, let's see how we can have that here. So I have here a GitHub link. So it says that you can see like this, and well, in admin panel we do not need this in admin panel, so we need this here to be shown here when we write something here. Okay, it says that install like this. Okay, good. I want to install. Okay, it says that you have to have this in your, well, Django project, Django settings. Good. I want to have this in settings.py file. I will see this here. Good. And this URL, I should have this URL in main file. Okay, and it says you have to have something like this, we already have all of them. So I want to have a migration here, like well, let me migrate this. So I run this. Well, it says you have to have something like this. Okay, we will follow it, all of them. So it says you have to have a form.py file. Okay, I do the same thing. So here I want to have a forms .py file. Okay, and the form, well, I want to have from Django import forms. It says that you have to have this part. Okay, only the summer widget I want to have. I don't need other things. So from blog.models, I want to have the article. Okay, and I want to have like article form, and from forms.model form. Okay, I have this, and let's have a class meta. In the class meta, I have the model as equal to article, because we had this from here, from blog.model. And let's see the fields, what fields we are going to have. Okay, here I want to have the author, whatever the field is, like I want to have actually the field from here. Okay, to copy the fields from here, and after fields we will have the widgets. The widgets will be like description. Actually, I want to have this on here, on description. Okay, so the description will be this. Okay, the form is very clean. Now let's see the views, either the view is correct or not. Okay, we have here like the view will be, I want to comment out this, and I want to write the view once again. Okay, I think this is correct. Well, let's have only the one field, like firstly I want to import this from here, forms import well, article form. Okay, from this form, well, import this article form. Okay, we have form class. So the form class will be, I think, the article form. And after this template, we have success URL. The success URL will be account form. It means when the article is created, you have to have redirect to this view. So then we have here like the article create. In the article create, we have this content. Let's have a space here. Here I want to import the form.media, means all the media form of this, well, text editor. Okay, let's see the terminal. The server works fine. Okay, let's refresh this. Fields and form class is not permitted. See, one thing here was missing. Like we had the fields here. Now we do not need the field here in this view. Okay, because we have mentioned the view, the field in both files, like in views and also in forms. Okay, when I refresh, it works. See, this is a text editor. Okay, this is another text. We have this bold, we have italic, we have underline and everything. Okay, let's see here. It is very nice. Okay, I want to have some testy article. We have this. So I want to have some kind of image. Okay, it will be like 50%. It's good. This is another text. Okay, good. So it looks nice. Let's see the category. We have a thumbnail here, and we have the author, admin, and we have the status. The status is published. Okay, when I submit, unsafe redirect URL protocol account. Well, disallowed redirect. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's see the article list. We have something like this part. Okay, we have some testy. Now let's have another one. New article, new article, new one. Okay, so the thumbnail will be this, and the author is like admin, and the status is published. Okay, so we have seen in the article list we have everything, but one thing is here. Let me show you. Here. See how bad it is. It doesn't look very well. Nothing looks very nice. How can we make this? Well, let's see. Okay, we had here the template blog, and the blog we had here article list. Well, in the article list we have not article list, the article detail. Okay, in the article detail we had here the description. So we had this line break. Instead of line break, we should have if. It looks very nice. The same thing as we had. Okay, so we had here also. And now, for example, let me see an article An article list, it also shows very bad. Okay, in article list we have here the description. Okay, where is the description? The description is here. We had this truncate word. So after this description we will have script tags. Okay, let's refresh this. Everything is nice. See, everything is nice. Okay, we had here, and an article list again here where it was home. We had here script tags. Let's see, it must be removed. Now it's good. It looks very nice. Okay, we have seen all the things here, like we have seen the article list in the article detail, well, this create article or add article. So still this part is not good. It doesn't look very nice. We have to make this a little bit more like stylish, or the style should be very nice. So in the next video we'll talk about this, and I'll make everything great.